Whoa, is that a mountain or a volcano?
Welcome to Mount Rainier National Park.
I got my stamp!
Another adventure begins. That mountain is actually a volcano. Volcanoes form when hot melted rock called magma rises from deep underground.
Mount Rainier grew over about 500,000 years, layer by layer.
Each eruption helped shape the land around it.
Wait, ice on a volcano?
There are 25 glaciers here, more than anywhere else in the U.S. outside Alaska.
Glaciers move slowly and carve the land like giant ice rivers. Some rivers begin right here from melting snow and ice.
This snow is freezing, but the ground feels warmer.
This park has many habitats, from forests to mountain meadows.
Animals here are specially adapted to live in tough conditions.
Native American tribes call this mountain Tahoma and have honored it for generations.
Wow!
Let's see what you remember. What helped shape Mount Rainier over time?
I think I know this one. The answer is B. Lava, ash, and ice. They all work together. A volcano, glaciers, and animals all in one place. Nature is full of amazing stories. Come explore more with us. Just like and share our video.